Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this vlog, I visited Sapa, Vietnam, and this was back in November 25. I'm finally posting it. The first place we visited for lunch is this spot right here. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the name, but I'll pop it up on the screen for you. It's a hidden local gem known for their bun cha, a northern-style noodle soup loaded with grilled pork, meatballs, and fish cake. It was freezing out that day, so we ordered the noodle soup and some porridge to warm up.
Wow, nice.
What, the birth or what?
Bạn sẽ bay không nào mày không?
After lunch, we took a quick stroll down to the city center. It was so close by, and honestly, the walk alone was worth it. Cold air, mountain views, and that quiet little town charm. We just had a really nice breakfast, and it's raining quite heavily now. So we're taking about a 10-minute walk to a cafe so that we can plan our wet weather program. The thing about Nahum and I is we both enjoy a good cafe after lunch, which is exactly what we did. This place had such a cozy, rustic feel, wooden interiors, warm lighting, and a bit of a mountain village charm to it. It's the kind of spot that makes you want to slow down and stay a while. From where we sat, we had this view right outside onto the lane, cars passing by, a bit of the city stretching out in the distance. It was drizzling and misty outside, that classic Sapa weather, and honestly it would have been perfect to just sit outside and take it on. We ordered the Vietnamese coffee with condensed milk and what's this? Coconut milk. This is the normal coffee with condensed milk, and we both prefer the one with coconut milk inside because the one without, the coffee taste is too strong. What do you think? Have it. My hand is a 小人. We were trying to cross the road. Many cars!
Let's go.
Ta-da! I just want to show you what our outfits for today. So if you're not scared of the cold, you can wear like what Nahum is wearing. He's just wearing a shirt inside and then like a zip outerwear. He's wearing Lulu shorts and shoes. As for me, I'm a bit cold. Like my face is a bit cold. But honestly, it's not as cold as I expected. I am wearing a sleeveless top. I'm just wearing this puffer for my shorts. My bottom. I'm wearing like a jogger style pants. Just New Balance shoes. Okay, Uniqlo bag, and then my bag's open also. I brought an extra heat tech in my bag just in case it'll get too cold after I alight from the train, because I know we'll probably have to drop off our bags like we did. So you'll see there are a lot of like spaces where I have to cross like that and then walk on the road and then back in. Oh, we're here. He wants to show you his vlogging skills. Wait for it, please. Order for me Why you shake your head?
Say you don't want to eat, then say I order for you.
After lunch, we still had some time to kill before checking in, so we visited this massage place. We were a bit skeptical at first because there was nobody, but we saw that there were really good Google reviews, so we were just wondering if those reviews were paid. Safe to say that shortly after we ended our massage, there was a whole group of people that came in after us to get their massage as well.
Oh my god, I didn't expect you were gonna eat it.
It can be a bit sour. Sour? Thankfully, we could finally check into our accoms, and where we were staying, you had to take a buggy up the hill. So this was exactly what we did. They transported our luggage in the back of the buggy with us, and we got to pass by the other bungalows before reaching ours at the top. Honestly, all I could think at this point was I needed a nap so badly after the overnight flight and the sleeper train, which we didn't get enough rest during. I could really use a nap on the bed right now. So this is our room at Sapa Jade Hill Resort and Spa. We got the panoramic view bungalow and we loved it. Everything inside is made from palm wood, so it has this really warm, cozy cabin feel, but still feels boutique. The toilet area is fully separate and clean, no weird smell at all, which I honestly was worried about given we're in the mountains. Now the wooden bathtub is actually the reason we booked this resort in the first place. We saw photos of people soaking with the mountain view and thought it looked so dreamy. Funny enough, we only used it once the whole stay. We were just out and about too much, but when we did use it, it did not disappoint. The real star of the show was the balcony. Full panoramic sweep of the valley and the rice terraces. No buildings blocking anything, just mountains for days. This is the view we ended up living in every morning.
One thing you need to take note when you book this hotel is there are bugs. We were almost about to check into our room when they told us to give them 5 to 10 minutes because there was a bug situation at the balcony. Cleared it for us. After that, we checked in. And Helm is taking a shower now. I saw a bug that started crawling on like the window that overlooks the balcony. And before you come at me, I can kill cockroaches with bacon, but I don't know what the hell to do with this. So I'm holding this, but it doesn't work. So I'm just using it for defense. Look at this! Oh my god, it looks so small on camera now. I just look ridiculous. Can you see the... Oh, where are you going? Oi! It's like a cockroach, but like, I don't know, I'm so scared to go near the window now. I don't know how many more are there. Oh my god, and I put my luggage here. Wait, let me shift this. The sky cleared up a bit, so I want to show you our view. Look at the valleys and the... Oh my god, so nice. I'm gonna zoom in a bit so you can see. You can see. Oh, valleys now. Why did I say valleys? We're in the buggy. It's still raining, and I just woke up from a nap. Look at this. Can't even see the road ahead.
We're in the car on our way to our dinner place. What are we eating? We're going to this Chau BBQ place. I wanted to document what we're wearing because our tolerance for cold is very different. Neham is just wearing a normal long sleeve shirt and a puffer, and then he's just wearing the long pants and then shoes. For me, I'm wearing a long sleeve, the thin top from Uniqlo, and then I layer it with a hoodie. I'm wearing a puffer. For my bottoms, I'm just wearing a very lousy thin sweatpants, walking shoes also. There are a lot of people eating here. The floor is damn slippery and it's a bit oily, and I feel like they packed the tables a bit too close to each other. We got another table originally and I couldn't squeeze into the other side, so I had to sit the same side as Neham. The table behind us cleared up, so we asked for this table instead. I just tried the kimchi and it's quite good. Can. We also ordered the kimchi stew to try.
Thank you.
Here's the kimchi stew. I think not spicy enough. The kimchi soup is a bit thicker. I think soup their taste palette more. The lady just used Google Translate to tell us that our meat is ready for eating. Go and dip it in a bit of salt.
Yeah, so very nice. Oh my god, damn good. Oh. Okay, I'm trying it with a bit of that chili. The chili not bad also. This is the salt that they gave. That I think goes damn well with the meat. Oh, chao done already, chao done. Wait.
No, good.
Order enoki, grill it, take the salt, you dip your chopstick inside, cut the enoki, show you again. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh my god, so good. Wow. Honestly, at this point, I have no idea what I'm eating, but everything is nice. This is another meat.
We are walking to the main CC area. Our umbrella is leaking. So I don't know we're under the umbrella for what. But yes, the puffer was a good choice because it's waterproof. My hood is not. Can't do anything about it.
Time. Okay. Thank you.